Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are having a smooth, easy, happy day.
Hi, everyone. My day it is okay. But honestly, I have a few problems today.
Oh no, already? We just started the video.
I know, but life is full of problems, right? The coffee machine broke, I lost my keys, and I think it is going to rain.
That sounds stressful, Sam. But actually, it is perfect for today's lesson because today we are talking about problems and solutions.
It is the most useful topic in the world because things always go wrong.
They do. And when things go wrong, you need to know how to explain the situation, how to ask for help, and how to suggest a fix.
You don't want to just say, it is bad. You want to say, we have a dilemma, or I need to figure this out.
Exactly. We want you to sound like a calm, capable problem solver. So here is our specific goal for this lesson.
Listen to the goal.
By the end of this video, you will be able to describe everyday issues, talk about technical difficulties, and discuss complex dilemmas using natural English phrasal verbs like run out of and figure out.
These are the verbs native speakers use every single day.
And we are going to use our special method, context first. We will let you listen to the struggle before we explain the words.
So you can hear the stress in my voice.
If you are ready to solve some problems with us, hit that subscribe button right now.
And hit the like button if you fixed a problem today, even a small one.
Let's jump into part 1, everyday annoyances.
These are the small things, the minor things that ruin your morning.
In this first scene, Sam is in the kitchen. He is panicking. Listen for the phrasal verb run out of and the noun issue.
Also, listen to the sound of me crying over an empty jar. Oh no, no. This cannot be happening.
Sam, what is all that noise? You were banging the cupboards.
Rose, we have a major issue, a catastrophe.
What happened? Is the house on fire?
Worse, look at this jar. It's empty. We have run out of coffee.
That's it? That is your major issue?
You don't understand. I cannot start my brain without coffee. I am a zombie. We have completely run out. Not a single bean left.
Okay, calm down. It's a minor problem. I can just run to the store and buy some more.
But the store is 10 minutes away. That is 10 minutes of suffering.
Or here's a solution. You can drink tea.
Tea? Tea is just hot leaf water. It's not the same.
Well, that is the only solution right now, unless you want to eat the empty glass jar.
Fine, I will drink the tea, but I am not happy about it.
Sam, you are very dramatic in the morning.
Hot leaf water, I stand by that statement. Coffee is life.
But you used some excellent vocabulary in your panic. First, the most common phrasal verb for daily life, run out of.
Run out of. This means you used all of it. There is nothing left. We ran out of milk. I ran out of gas.
I ran out of patience.
Oh, I hear that one a lot from Rose. Sam, I am running out of patience with you.
It is true. So remember, to run out of means to have zero left.
Then I use the word issue. We have a major issue.
Issue is a synonym for problem, but it sounds a little bit more professional or soft. We have a technical issue. There is a small issue with the schedule.
You can have a major issue, big, or a minor issue, small. My coffee problem was a major issue.
To you, maybe. To me, it was a minor issue. And then Rose offered a solution.
A solution. This is the answer, the fix, the solution to the problem.
Sometimes we say the fix. What is the fix? But solution is the standard word. So, when you have nothing left, you run out, and you need a solution.
Preferably a caffeinated solution.
Now let's move to part 2, technical difficulties.
This is when machines attack us. Computers, printers, phones.
In this scene, Sam is trying to work, but his technology is failing. Listen for the phrasal verbs figure out and deal with.
And listen for the word out of order. Come on, work! Why are you doing this to me?
Sam, stop hitting the computer. Violence is not the answer. What is wrong?
It's this printer. It's making a weird beeping noise and it won't print my report. I can't figure it out.
Did you check the paper tray?
Yes, I checked the paper, the ink, the plug. I have tried everything. I can't figure out why it's not working.
Maybe it is jammed? Let me look. Sam, there is a piece of a sandwich in here.
A sandwich? Oh, yeah, I was eating lunch over the printer.
Well, there is your problem. You have to deal with this mess. Clean it up.
I don't want to deal with it right now. Can't we just put an out of order sign on it and buy a new one?
No, you broke it, you fix it. Figure out how to get the cheese out of the rollers.
Fine, pass me a napkin.
A sandwich in the printer? Really, Sam?
I was hungry and multitasking. It happens.
Well, it gave us great vocabulary. First, the essential phrasal verb, figure out.
Figure out. This means to solve a problem by thinking, to understand it. I can't figure out this math problem. I need to figure out how to fix the car.
It is very mental. You look at the problem, you think, and you find the answer. You figure it out.
Then we used deal with.
Deal with. This means to handle a problem, to take action. Usually it implies the problem is annoying or unpleasant.
I have to deal with a difficult customer. I have to deal with the dirty dishes.
In the scene, Sam didn't want to deal with the messy printer. He wanted to avoid it.
And I suggested putting up a sign, out of order.
Out of order. You see this on elevators, vending machines, and bathrooms. It simply means broken or not working.
If the bathroom door says out of order, do not go in.
Good advice. So if a machine breaks, you try to figure it out, or you mark it out of order.
And you never eat sandwiches over electronics. Lesson learned.
Now let's move to part 3, the dilemma.
Sometimes problems aren't about broken things. They are about choices, difficult choices.
In this scene, Sam has a serious decision to make. Listen for the words dilemma, pros and cons, and the phrase sleep on it.
This is a dramatic scene. I am very torn.
Sam, you look very serious. Is everything okay?
Honestly, Rose, I'm in a bit of a pickle. I have a real dilemma.
A dilemma? What is it?
Well, I got offered a new job. It pays more money, but the office is 2 hours away.
2 hours? That is a long commute.
Exactly, but the money is great. So my dilemma is, do I take the money and lose my free time, or stay here and be poor but happy?
That is a tough one. Have you looked at the pros and cons?
I have written a list. The pros are money, prestige. The cons are driving, traffic, and waking up early.
It sounds like the cons are pretty bad.
They are. I just don't know what to decide. I feel stuck.
You know what? Don't decide today. You should sleep on it.
Sleep on it?
You think it will be clearer in the morning? Almost always. Your brain works while you sleep. Give it 24 hours.
That is good advice. I will sleep on it and decide tomorrow.
That is a very common adult problem, money versus time.
The eternal struggle. But let's look at the words. I said I had a dilemma.
A dilemma. This is a specific type of problem. It means you have 2 or more difficult choices. Option A is good, bad. Option B is good, bad. You have to choose.
I have a dilemma. Should I buy the red car or the blue car?
To solve a dilemma, we look at the pros and cons.
Pros and cons. The good points, pros, and the bad points, cons. What are the pros and cons of living in the city?
Pro, it is exciting. Con, it is expensive. You weigh them like a scale.
And then Rose gave me the best idiom, sleep on it.
Sleep on it. This does not mean putting the problem under your pillow.
No, it means to wait until the next day to decide, to let your brain rest.
Don't sign the contract yet. Sleep on it. It prevents you from making impulsive mistakes.
Also, I used a funny idiom at the start. Did you catch it? I said I'm in a bit of a pickle.
In a pickle, it means I am in a difficult or funny situation.
I locked my keys in the car. I'm in a pickle.
It is a very cute, friendly way to say you have a problem.
So if you have a dilemma, list the pros and cons and then sleep on it.
Now, before we get to our giant review, we have a very important safety tip.
Yes, this is a grammatical mistake that confuses almost every student.
It is the difference between problem and trouble.
I have a problem versus I have trouble. Which one is correct?
Problem is countable. You can count them. 1 problem, 2 problems, 3 problems.
I have 3 problems right now. Correct.
Trouble is uncountable. You cannot say a trouble or 2 troubles. It is just trouble, like water.
So you say, I am in trouble or I am having trouble, not I have a trouble.
Let's practice. I have a big problem. Correct. I have a big trouble. Incorrect.
I am having trouble with my car. Correct.
So problem equals 1, 2, 3. Trouble equals a cloud of bad feelings.
Just remember the song, trouble, 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 not a trouble, a trouble, a trouble.
Exactly. Now let's clear your mind and review all these amazing words in the vocabulary box.
Let's open the box, slow and steady. I say the word, Rose gives the definition.
Run out of. Definition, to have nothing left. Empty jar.
Issue. Definition, a synonym for problem often used in professional settings.
Solution. Definition, the answer or the fix to the problem.
Figure out. Definition, to find the answer by thinking or investigating.
Deal with. Definition, to take action to handle a messy or annoying situation.
Out of order. Definition, a sign meaning a machine is broken.
Dilemma. Definition, a difficult choice between 2 options.
Pros and cons. Definition, the positive and negative points of a decision.
Sleep on it. Definition, to wait until tomorrow to make a decision.
In a pickle. Definition, an idiom meaning in a difficult situation.
Trouble. Grammar. Definition, uncountable noun. Don't say a trouble.
The box is full. Let's shake it up.
Speed round time. Are you ready to solve these fast?
I am the problem solver. Let's go.
I describe it. You shout the phrase loudly.
Ready.
When the coffee jar is completely empty.
Run out of.
A professional word for problem.
Issue.
The fix for the problem.
Solution.
To use your brain to understand a problem.
Figure out.
To handle an annoying task, like cleaning the printer.
Deal with.
The sign on a broken elevator.
Out of order.
A choice between 2 hard things.
Dilemma.
The good points and bad points.
Pros and cons.
To wait 24 hours before deciding.
Sleep on it.
Idiom. I am in a.
Pickle.
Grammar check. I have trouble. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect. Just trouble.
You guys are amazing. You figured it out.
No pickles here. Just solutions.
Now we have the most important part, the speaking challenge.
We want you to speak. Don't be shy.
Here are the instructions. Step 1. Pause the video.
Step 2. Answer this question out loud. What is a problem you dealt with recently?
Did you run out of milk? Did your car break down? Did you have a dilemma? Use the vocabulary. I ran out of. I had to figure out.
Step 3. Write exactly what you said in the comments.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Did you figure it out?
I am reading the comments right now. I want to see your solutions.
And if you have a dilemma, ask us. Maybe we can give you the pros and cons.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Remember, every problem has a solution if you know the right English.
Sleep on it and you will feel better.
See you in the next video.
Bye guys. Good luck.
Bye.